Popular sports in America. Today, we're going to explore some of the most popular sports in America. Hello, wonderful English learners. It's Sophia from the English with Sophia YouTube channel. Dear friends, your support means the world to us. Share, engage, and subscribe to the channel. Your encouragement fills us with joy. Important vocabulary for A1 learners. Here are some key words from this lesson that are great for A1 English learners. 1. Sport, noun. A game or activity that people play for fun or competition. 2. Team, noun. A group of people who play a sport together. 3. Ball, noun. A round object used in many sports. 4. Player, noun. A person who takes part in a sport. 5. Game, noun. A period of play in a sport. 6. Score, verb. To win points in a sport. 7. Win, verb. To be the best in a competition. 8. Lose, verb. To not win in a competition. 9. Field, noun. The area where a sport is played. 10. Court, noun. The area where some sports like basketball and tennis are played. 11. Goal, noun. The place where players try to put the ball to score points. 12. Fan, noun. A person who likes a particular sport or team. 13. Watch, verb. To look at something, like a sports game. 14. Play, verb. To take part in a sport or game. 15. Practice, verb. To do something many times to get better at it. Remember to practice these words when talking about sports or games. Good luck with your English learning journey. Sports are a big part of American culture, and learning about them can help you understand more about life in the United States. Let's dive into the exciting world of American sports. Daridan, why sports are important in America. Before we look at specific sports, let's understand why sports are so important in America. 1. They bring people together. 2. They teach teamwork and fair play. 3. They provide entertainment. 4. They are a form of exercise and promote health. 5. They are a big part of school and community life. Now let's explore some of the most popular sports in America. Dubber Sagar 1. American football. American football is one of the most popular sports in the USA. Here's what you need to know. It's played with an oval-shaped ball. 2 teams of 11 players each try to score points. Players can run with the ball, throw it, or kick it. The field is 100 yards long. The biggest event is the Super Bowl, which happens every year. Key terms. Touchdown, the main way to score points, 6 points. Quarterback, the leader of the team's offense. Field goal, kicking the ball through the goalposts, 3 points. Dubber 2. Basketball. Basketball is very popular in cities and schools. Here are the basics. It's played with a round ball on a court. 2 teams of 5 players each try to score points. Players dribble the ball and try to throw it through a hoop. Each successful shot is worth 2 or 3 points. The NBA, National Basketball Association, is the top professional league. Key terms. Dribble, bouncing the ball while moving. Hoop, the circular rim and net where players score. Free throw, an undefended shot worth 1 point. Dubbelkurs, 3. Baseball. Baseball is often called America's pastime. Here's what you should know. It's played with a small hard ball and a bat. 2 teams take turns batting and fielding. The goal is to score runs by hitting the ball and running around 4 bases. A game has 9 innings. Major League Baseball, MLB, is the top professional league. Key terms: home run, when a batter hits the ball out of the field and scores a run. Pitcher, the player who throws the ball to the batter. Strike, when a batter swings and misses or doesn't swing at a good pitch. Jararash, 4. Soccer, called football in most other countries. Soccer is growing in popularity in the USA. Here are the basics. It's played with a round ball on a large field. 2 teams of 11 players each try to score goals. Players can't use their hands or arms to move the ball, except the goalkeeper. A game is 90 minutes long, divided into 2 45-minute halves. Major League Soccer, MLS, is the top professional league in the USA. Key terms: goal, when the ball goes into the net, 1 point. Goalkeeper, the player who can use hands to stop the ball. Penalty kick, a free kick given for certain fouls. 5. Ice hockey. Ice hockey is very popular, especially in colder parts of the USA. Here's what to know. It's played on ice with a small puck and sticks. 2 teams of 6 players each, including the goalie, try to score goals. Players skate on ice and use sticks to move the puck. The National Hockey League, NHL, is the top professional league. Key terms: puck, the small hard disc used instead of a ball. Goalie, the player who tries to stop the puck from entering the goal. Slap shot, a powerful shot where the stick is raised above the waist. 6. Tennis. Tennis is a popular individual and doubles sport. Here are the basics. It's played with rackets and a small ball on a court. Players hit the ball back and forth over a net. Points are scored when one player fails to return the ball. Games can be singles, 1 versus 1, or doubles, 2 versus 2. The U.S. Open is a major tennis tournament held in New York. Key terms: serve, the shot that starts each point. Racket, the tool used to hit the ball. Love, the term for 0 in tennis scoring. Sports in American schools. Sports are a big part of school life in America. 1. Most schools have sports teams. 2. Students can join these teams after regular classes. 3. There are often competitions between different schools. 4. Many students play sports to stay healthy and make friends. 5. Some students get college scholarships for being good at sports. Watching sports in America. Watching sports is a popular activity in the USA. 1. Many people watch sports on TV at home. 2. Friends often gather to watch big games together. 3. Going to a stadium to watch a game live is exciting. 4. People often wear clothes with their favorite team's colors or logo. 5. There are special sports channels on TV that show games all day. Sports vocabulary in everyday language. Americans often use sports terms in everyday conversations. 1. Hit a home run. To do something very well. 2. Drop the ball. To make a mistake. 3. Game changer. Something that makes a big difference. 4. On the ball. To be alert and efficient. 5. Level playing field. A fair situation for everyone. Enjoyably, the business of sports. Sports are also a big business in America. 1. Professional athletes can earn a lot of money. 2. Companies pay to have their names on stadiums. 3. There are many jobs related to sports, like coaches, managers, and sports reporters. 4. Sports equipment and team merchandise, like t-shirts, are big sellers. Sports and American values. Sports often reflect important values in American culture. 1. Teamwork, working together to achieve a goal. 2. Fair play, following the rules and being honest. 3. Hard work, practicing to get better. 4. Persistence, not giving up when things are difficult. 5. Leadership, guiding and inspiring others. Conclusion. Sports play a huge role in American culture. Whether it's playing in a school team, watching a big game on TV, or using sports terms in everyday conversation, sports are a part of daily life for many Americans. Remember, you don't have to be an expert in all these sports. Even knowing a little bit about them can help you understand American culture better and give you something to talk about with Americans. I hope this overview has given you a good introduction to popular sports in America. Learning about sports is a fun way to improve your English and understand more about life in the USA. Keep practicing your English and who knows, maybe you'll find a new favorite sport to watch or play. Until next time, this is Sophia from English with Sophia, saying goodbye and happy learning.